always greater than equal to gm. So there are three terms which are in AP, right? So you can write it out that A plus B plus C by 3 would be actually greater than equal to ABC to the power 1 by 3. So A is greater than equal to GM is what is the this way. Okay, I was thinking. Okay, let's see. ABC is to the power 1 by 3. So A plus B plus C is greater than 2 to the power 2 by 3 into. They are in AP, right? So ABC are in AP. So we will write down that B will be actually equal to A plus C by 2, right? Can I say that? So if ABC are in AP, can I say that B minus A is actually equal to C minus B? Then can I say B taking this side, B equals to A plus C by 2. So you can take it if ABC are in AP, then the middle term will be actually the average of the last two terms, the two extreme terms. Okay.
Yes, sir.
A plus C will be actually equal to 2B. So this is 3B is actually going to be greater than equal to 2 to the power 2 by 3 into 3. So 3 cancels out. So B is actually going to be greater than equal to 2 by 3. So the minimum B minimum will be what? B minimum will be 2 to the power 2 by 3 because B is always going to be greater than or equal to this, right? So the minimum value of this is going to be this.